In today's tutorial, we are building a journey to get Typeform responses in PDF format on Slack channel. For this, we have to first select Typeform as our trigger, choose New Form Response as our trigger event. Then let's choose a connection. I'm gonna choose an existing connection and click on Link Account to establish the connection. After this, we have to select the appropriate form to capture user responses. Now, we have to add Typeform data in PDF Otter, then send link on Slack. So in steps, let's select PDF Otter, choose Fill PDF as action, then select an existing connection and click on Link Account to establish the connection. Now, choose an appropriate template to add data. Add data using Typeform app data tree. In next step, select Slack to send PDF link to Slack channel. Choose Send Message to a channel as action. Then, select an existing connection and click on Link Account to establish the connection. Now, we have to choose an appropriate channel and add message using PDF Otter app data tree. Now, as we are sending messages via bot, we have to select yes. So let's just select yes. Once done, we are ready with our journey. Click on Save Changes and let me just start the journey. Now, let's just go and check our output. Let me just submit a Typeform with necessary details. Once it's done, let me visit the journey to check its execution. As you can see, the journey has been executed successfully. As per this PDF Otter template, we will receive a link for PDF. We can see a new message has been received. Click on the link to download it. Let me just open the file. Now, as you can see, we have received a form response in PDF format. In this way, we can build an automation journey to get Typeform responses in PDF format on emails. I hope you like this tutorial. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.